It's great. So I think it's the right size. Speakers are people that is taking decisions within these companies, and definitely are people that are providing valuable information. So I think it's right on.
I feel like the quality of the speakers has been good, and I appreciate having an environment where you can meet or speak with someone, a supplier, and it doesn't feel like such a hard pressure sale. So you can just, maybe chat with them over coffee or talk with them, on a one-on-one, and then have dinner with them later, and it's not a thing. So it's a different environment versus like what you would get at a trade show for sure.
The level of speakers is very good, very great information, interesting updates on different topics from the industry. So I think the value is very high.